this is a carrier evaporator coil. What this picture is of the actual air dam. When air passes through this evaporator coil, it also pushes the water down through the coil and into this. This right here is a water channel for the water to flow into, and then it's just simply going to drain down and down into here. And then there'll be, once we add our piece, there'll be a snorkel that then goes into the drain pan to allow the water that is captured by the water dam to drain out into the primary pan. So what we've got are these plastic pieces here. Have no clue what they're called, but what this does is it slides into place right here. Now there is a screw that then screws into the water dam right there. So give me 1 second, I'm going to go ahead and add the screw. Now it's screwed in place. Now this piece is plastic. Be careful when you're screwing it because it will crack it, and then you're still going to have a problem. This is your snorkel. Simply goes into the drain pan, has a rubber hose on the end of it that simply attaches to this, just like that. And then you can see, okay, so I'm back. You can see the plastic pieces in place. The snorkel is in place. There is an upper piece that is in place as well. That way, if this coil needs to be flopped for horizontal right, then that's the one you will then use. Very important, on the back of the water dam, right here is a rubber end cap, and then down here is another rubber end cap. Those have to be in place as well. They fall on and off extremely easy, so you have to be real careful to make sure that they stay in place as well. But this is now completed. All the pieces are in place. And now everything will drain properly.